Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Robots.txt on your Wix website. So I'm currently here on my Wix website, wixsite.com/robots.txt. For you to be able to edit this, you can see here an instruction. So this is auto-generated and all you have to do is go to SEO tools, then robots.txt editor to change this. And I'm going to show you how to do that. In a new tab, head over to wix.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in the search bar, just type in robots.txt. Then under tools and settings, you can see here the robots.txt editor. So click on it. So you can edit your robots.txt file to tell search engines which pages of your site to crawl. And for you to be able to edit robots.txt of your website, first is of course you're going to need to connect a domain to first activate your robots.txt file. Just by clicking on the connect domain button, just add in your existing domain. Just type in your domain URL, then proceed by clicking on Let's Go button. Once your custom domain is connected, you can view and start editing the default file, including the robots.txt. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!